Hey everyone! Ready to elevate your everyday carry and outdoor adventures? Discover the ultimate collection of precision-engineered pocket knives that blend razor-sharp performance with rugged durability and sleek design. From survival-ready blades with unbeatable edge retention to ergonomic handles built for comfort and control, these knives are crafted to tackle any challenge, whether you're camping, hiking, or handling daily tasks. Perfectly balanced for quick deployment and secure grip, each knife in this lineup offers innovative features like reversible deep carry clips and premium materials, making them not just tools but trusted companions. Get ready to experience unmatched quality and versatility that stands up to every adventure life throws your way. The Kratos hunting knife is a rugged, full Tang survival blade crafted for serious outdoor performance. Measuring 12.2 inches, it features a razor-sharp 25-degree double-bevel edge made from 440C high-carbon stainless steel, known for exceptional toughness, edge retention, and corrosion resistance. The 4.7-inch handcrafted wooden handle provides superior comfort, control, and balance even in harsh environments. Whether you're hacking brush, processing firewood, or field dressing game, this knife is built to handle it all. Complete with a durable leather sheath and backed by a limited lifetime warranty, the Kratos hunting knife is a reliable companion for camping, backpacking, and survival missions. Engineered for excellence, Foyeni survival knife boasts a razor-sharp drop-point blade crafted from premium 5 CR15 MOV stainless steel with a sleek black titanium coating. Designed for slicing and piercing with ease, it excels in bushcraft, camping, and wilderness tasks. Its full-tang construction ensures maximum strength and durability, enhanced by a 58 HRC heat-treated blade and a built-in ferro rod for emergency fire starting. The ergonomic G10 handle offers a secure, non-slip grip for comfort and control in any condition. Paired with a 360-degree rotational Kydex sheath for versatile carry options, this knife is an indispensable tool for survivalists, hunters, and outdoor explorers alike. Rugged, reliable, and ready for anything, the Smith & Wesson folding knife is built for serious everyday carry. Measuring 8.6 inches in total length with a 3.6-inch blade, this knife is crafted from durable 4034 high-carbon stainless steel with a black oxide finish for added toughness. The textured aluminum handle with rubber inlay ensures a secure grip in all conditions. Equipped with MAGIC assisted opening, a pocket clip, and flipper finger actuator, it's fast and accessible when seconds count. Added safety features like a liner lock, safety lock, glass breaker, and seatbelt cutter make it a reliable choice for tactical, emergency, and survival situations. Engineered for versatility and performance, the NedFoss DA75 folding knife delivers reliable cutting power in a sleek, compact form. Featuring a sharp 8CR14 MOV stainless steel blade with black oxide coating, it boasts excellent edge retention and corrosion resistance. The ergonomic handle combines G10 and aluminum for a comfortable, non-slip grip. Built for real-life scenarios, it includes essential survival features like a seatbelt cutter and glass breaker, ideal in emergencies. A thumb stud ensures quick one-hand opening, and the pocket clip allows easy everyday carry. Whether for camping, hiking, or daily tasks, this knife is your all-in-one EDC tool. Blending timeless aesthetics with practical function, the Kexmo pocket knife features a razor-sharp 3CR13 black steel blade that delivers excellent edge retention and durability. Designed for one-handed ease, it includes a finger flipper, thumb stud, and secure liner lock for reliable operation. The vintage rosewood handle adds character and provides a comfortable, secure grip thanks to its ergonomic finger indentions. With a built-in glass breaker and a reversible clip, this compact EDC knife is perfect for camping, hiking, survival, or emergency use. An ideal gift for both men and women who value craftsmanship and versatility in their gear. Engineered for reliability in any scenario, the Artisan Cutlery Tactical Knife features a razor-sharp cleaver-style blade made from durable D2 steel, known for exceptional edge retention and toughness. With thumb studs for ambidextrous one-handed opening and a unique lock pin system, this folding knife easily transforms into a fixed blade for added safety and strength. The textured G10 handle designed by Dirk Prikerton ensures a secure, slip-resistant grip. Whether you're camping, hiking, or handling daily tasks, this multi-purpose tool delivers peak performance and makes a thoughtful, rugged gift for outdoor enthusiasts and adventurers alike. The HX Outdoors Bushcraft knife is expertly engineered for rugged outdoor use, featuring a high-quality D2 steel blade with a black titanium coating for exceptional durability, edge retention, and corrosion resistance. Its full Tang fixed blade construction offers unbeatable strength and reliability in extreme conditions. The ergonomically textured handle ensures a secure, non-slip grip, even when wet. Packed with a heavy-duty sheath that includes a built-in magnesium fire starter, this knife is ready for bushcraft, camping, and emergency survival scenarios. Whether you're hiking, hunting, or exploring, this versatile tool is a must-have for any outdoor enthusiast. Compact, durable, and built for everyday carry, the Smith & Wesson Extreme Ops folding knife delivers reliable performance in any situation. Featuring a 3.1-inch black, oxide-coated 7 CR17 MOV high-carbon stainless steel blade, it balances sharpness, strength, and corrosion resistance. The textured aluminum handle offers a firm, comfortable grip, while jimping and partial serrations add versatility for cutting through tougher materials. Quick one-handed deployment is effortless with the ambidextrous thumb knobs and finger flipper, and the secure liner lock ensures safety during use. With a convenient pocket clip and only 3.5 ounces in weight, it's a dependable EDC essential for both urban use and outdoor adventures. The Trock fixed blade knife is expertly crafted with a stone-washed titanium-coated D2 steel blade, delivering exceptional edge retention and corrosion resistance, boasting a lifespan 3 times longer than standard D2 steel. With a hardness rating of 60 HRC, this knife maintains razor-sharp precision for any outdoor task. The ergonomic G10 handle provides a secure, textured grip for maximum control during use, making it ideal for survival, bushcraft, hunting, and camping. It comes with a robust Kydex sheath that ensures safe storage, quick deployment, and versatile carry options. Designed for tactical reliability and outdoor resilience, this knife is built to perform under the harshest conditions while requiring minimal maintenance for long-lasting performance. The NedFoss FA48 pocket knife is a versatile 5-in-1 multi-tool designed for everyday carry and emergency situations. Crafted with a high-quality 8CR14 mauve stainless steel blade, it offers exceptional sharpness and durability with a hardness rating of 57 HRC. This compact folding knife features a large cutting blade, seatbelt cutter, glass breaker, bottle opener, and multiple wrench sizes, making it perfect for rescue, DIY, hunting, and camping tasks. The reliable liner lock mechanism ensures safe and quick opening, while the pocket clip offers convenient portability. Weighing just 8.6 ounces with a total length of 9 inches, the NedFoss FA48 is a dependable tool for any outdoor adventure or emergency scenario. The Drachenader survival knife is expertly crafted from durable 5CR13 MOV stainless steel, delivering excellent sharpness and corrosion resistance for reliable performance in outdoor and survival scenarios. Its ergonomic ABS handle ensures a comfortable, secure grip during any task. The Granway heavy-duty pocket knife is a robust and reliable tactical knife featuring a strong black Tonto blade forged from high-quality 440C stainless steel. With a blade length of 3.66 inches and a durable G10 handle measuring 4.92 inches, this spring-assisted folding knife is perfectly designed for survival, hunting, camping, hiking, and everyday carry. It comes equipped with a detachable pocket clip, thumb studs for ambidextrous use, and a handy rope hole with a survival paracord lanyard. Lightweight yet sturdy at 7.33 ounces, this knife is ideal for military self-defense, rescue, and outdoor enthusiasts seeking a dependable and versatile tool. The Bloodline Full Tang Fixed Blade Survival Knife is your ultimate companion for emergency and outdoor adventures. Featuring a razor-sharp 4-inch blade crafted from durable 1095 high-carbon steel, this 8.6-inch military-grade knife effortlessly cuts through wood, plastic, paper, and aluminum without dulling. Its smartly designed black G10 handle with vibrant orange lining ensures a secure anti-slip grip for maximum control and precision. The knife comes with a rugged Kydex sheath, featuring an upgraded tech lock and lanyard hole for safe, versatile carry options. Complete with a flint rod, G10 scraper, and Allen wrench, this survival kit equips you for fire starting and all wilderness tasks. The CJRB Tigris pocket knife is a powerhouse designed for durability and precision. Crafted from premium ARRPM9 powder steel, it offers exceptional edge retention, corrosion resistance, and easy sharpening, making it perfect for everyday carry and heavy-duty tasks. The robust cleaver-style blade features a flat grind and wide edge for razor-sharp cutting power while maintaining durability. Its lightweight layered G10 handle provides superior grip and anti-slip control. Equipped with ceramic ball bearings, the knife ensures smooth, quick one-handed opening and reliable action over time. The NedFoss ELF Pocket Knife is a precision tool crafted for reliability and everyday convenience. Featuring an ultra-sharp D2 steel blade hardened to 60 HRC, it offers excellent edge retention, perfect for slicing ropes, opening packages, or tackling survival tasks. Its textured G10 handle ensures a secure, non-slip grip, even in wet conditions, making it ideal for both men's EDC gear and women's minimalist tools. The one-hand flipper opening with a smooth brass-bearing pivot allows lightning-fast deployment, secured by a reliable liner lock for safe use. Whether you're an outdoor enthusiast, a dedicated prepper, or simply someone who values reliable gear, this curated selection of top-tier knives ensures you're always prepared. Step into a world where craftsmanship meets functionality. Because the right knife isn't just a tool, it's your edge in every situation. Choose excellence, carry confidence, and make every cut count.